Welcome back to Texelated Isolated with Technology, and today we're going to check out the SoundPEATS Air4 Pro. All right, here we are. SoundPEATS Air4 Pro. Big shout out to SoundPEATS for sending this product out to me. As usual, they have no say in my opinion, and I just tell it like it is. All right, we're going to take a closer look at these earbuds by SoundPEATS. These earbuds use Snapdragon sound and AptX Lossless technology. They offer CD level quality audio. Advanced noise cancellation technology ensures uninterrupted immersion in your music. AptX voice technology delivers clear, distortion-free call quality. We're going to record something into my phone using these earbuds, see how clear they sound. These earbuds have a 13mm dynamic speaker design. We'll see how that translates into how well it sounds. You can seamlessly connect and switch between devices with Bluetooth 5.3 for improved performance. So I'm not going to demonstrate that, but I'll let you know how it goes maybe in another video. All right. So let's see what we have here. It's a little tiny box. Not much here. It says the 13mm dynamic driver that I mentioned earlier. 26-hour playtime. Hybrid active noise cancellation, hear your imagination. And at the back, it just gives you a whole bunch of information. So Bluetooth version 5.3, frequency response 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz, maximum working distance 10 meters, playtime about 6.5 hours, up to 26 hours with the charging case, and battery capacity is 35 milliamps. All right. Enough talking, let's get into the box. These boxes are never easy. All right, so those are the earbuds inside the case. Let's see what else is in here. All right, so you get your manual as usual. And an app introduction, which I've already downloaded on my Android phone, so we might take a look at that a little later. All right. Nothing else in the box. So the outer shell is shiny plastic, feels lightweight, shows a little golden SoundPEATS here. It's a nice and simple design. We flip it open, reveals the earbuds. Looks like we have a little charger ready. What I've noticed, you know what? Do they have different size earbuds? You know what? I might have missed something. Give me a moment. Yeah, so I was correct. You have your different size ear tips that come in the package. I usually do the medium. And it comes with the charger, USB-C. All right, so that's good to know. Back to the earbuds. Very nice design. Very simplistic, but very elegant. Has a SoundPEATS S. Gold, or I would say it's rose gold. Looks like underneath the tip is a pinkish color. It was very nice though, very nice. Can fit in the pocket easily. Got the USB connection at the bottom here to charge. Guess you have a reset button here in case something freezes up. I have to double check what that button is. And it is not wireless charging. I'm going to connect it to my Galaxy S23. And we're going to test out the sound quality and the mic quality. Stay tuned. All right, I'm back from running my tests. And I must say, these sound absolutely amazing. These are now my favorite buds. My previous favorite buds were the Samsung Buds 2. It was a Pro. I can't remember what the names are. But those things are so fragile. One of them dropped and the left ear has lower volume than the right. So I can no longer use those buds. These have now become my favorite buds. The sound quality on these things sounds so immersive. It sounds like the music is like surrounding you. The highs are not piercing. The bass is heavy and the mids is just right. I played it to maximum volume just to see if there's any kind of distortion, and it's clear as day. These earbuds, I give these earbuds a 10 out of 10. As for the mic quality, I haven't listened back to that yet, but I'll play that shortly. So please leave comments below and let me know what you think. So for $100 on Amazon, these are a no-brainer. I'm going to put a link in the description below. And also with that link, there would be a discount for anybody who purchases these earbuds using that link. So from between April 1st and April 30th, you can take advantage of that discount. So once again, just to wrap up, the sound quality on these things are top notch. You would not be disappointed. I'll be playing the mic quality sample shortly. And again, please let me know what you guys think in the comments below.
Test 1 2, test 1 2. I am recording on the SoundPEATS Air4 Pro. I am recording on the SoundPEATS Air4 Pro. Please let me know what you think of the sound quality in the comments below. Test 1 2, test 1 2. I am recording on the SoundPEATS Air4 Pro.
With that said, thank you very much for joining me inside the isolation chamber. You've been watching Texelated, Isolated with Technology. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.